So, as you guys know, I recently got a lot of breakage on my hair, and it's like pretty extreme, especially on one side. I'm gonna insert pictures, but it is like extreme. And I've been feeling like, should I just cut it? Like, I might as well. Yeah, I'm just like really torn about it, and I wanted to know your opinion, if you guys think I should cut it or not. I'm kind of starting to feel like maybe I shouldn't, because I talked to like my friends and like family about it, and they're just like, girl, just write it out, let it grow out. Like, it doesn't look that bad, especially when it's like styled. Like right now, you can't tell that my hair is like seriously broken, but it's like really bad. So yeah, I've been seriously contemplating whether or not I should just cut it all down to the same length, or if I should just cut that section and then put my hair in a protective style like braids, because I just don't like, every single time I'm doing my hair, I hate looking at my breakage. I just hate like looking at it, because I'm just like, dang, my hair was so healthy. I had so much volume, like it was so much bigger. Seriously, at this point, like contemplating if I should just cut it, or if I should like kind of transition, like maybe go 6 months to a year and then cut it all to the same length. I don't know, guys. I don't know. I hate working with it when it's broken. It's like hard to style, but at the same time, my hair is long enough to the point where I could just throw it in a bun. But also the fact that it's broken and I'm not cutting it off makes me wonder if I'm like damaging it more, like, or is that only split ends? I need to figure that out. But I will say that it is growing back. It definitely is growing back. But another thing, I feel like if I don't cut it, I feel pressure to like put my hair away and put it in like mini twists, or put it in like a protective style where I can't really mess with it. But when I'm not able to like really mess with my hair, then I can't do videos that often. I feel like I'm just the type of person I'm just not very like patient with my hair. Whenever I get damaged, I just want to cut it. I'm just like, I should just cut it. But then again, this might be an opportunity for me to learn patience and become more patient. And, but this is the worst setback that my hair has ever had. And I'm optimistic that it'll bounce back, but at the same time, I just hate looking at it. I'm just kind of like, should I just cut it? Like, what should I do? I'm seriously like torn, like 50-50 torn. I feel like, yeah, I've come so far that I wouldn't want to just chop it all off. That's crazy. But at the same time, I'm like, I might as well. Like, it's not like it's fully healthy, And I'm always like, health over length. If it's not healthy, does it even matter? Oh, do you guys think I should also do braids? Like maybe do short ones? Because I've tried doing mini twists and they look so bad because my hair is just extremely thin. Especially in mini twists, it just looks extremely thin. They look fine when I put them in a bun, but like I can't wear them down because they literally, like, my roots are thick and then the ends are super thin. So I'm just like, oh no, this is not cute. Like, I can't even do this. Like, so I'm just kind of like, I don't even have that many options as far as protective styles, except for like buns. But yeah, guys, let me know your thoughts. What do you think I should do? Should I cut it? Should I cut just that section? Should I tough it out and be patient and wait for it to grow and write it out and try some protective styles? I've also been thinking about trying crochet hairstyles, because like I could do mini twists under and then like I could crochet it, and those are pretty easy to do, so I could do that like every week or every 2 weeks and take them out and do my wash day. So yeah, let me know your thoughts below. Let me know what protective styles you think I should do. If you think braids are safe. I mean, honestly, whenever I do braids and I don't do them tight and I make sure that I moisturize them, I really don't suffer any damage from it. I feel like I'm just like paranoid because braids, I feel like it's so easy to do them wrong or for them to be too heavy, and then like boom, your hair is like breaking and falling out. So I'm kind of like, on braids, it's not ideal, but I don't know, maybe I should try it. Maybe it's a better option than cutting my hair off, or maybe I should cut it or cut that section and then do braids. so then the braids would hide the fact that my hair is different lengths. I don't know. Let me know down below, you guys, but that's kind of like what I'm thinking right now. Give me your thoughts, give me your feedback, give me some encouragement, because I'm feeling not good right now. But honestly, it's just hair at the end of the day. Yeah, so let me know in the comments, and if you're not already subscribed, subscribe and turn on your notification bell, join the notification squad. And this is the comment of the week. Thank you so much for your comment, and if you want your comment to be featured in a video, make sure you leave a comment down below in the comment section and I will pick from there. And that is all for this video, you guys. If you have time, definitely watch some more videos, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!